Now let's get to Napoleon Hill's principle number 4 of success, which is gaining specialized knowledge. And he noticed that lifelong learners consistently won. These are people who learned way beyond high school and college, and they were self-starters in terms of learning. They kept learning and devouring books and everything else after college. That was the recipe for success. Now the question can be, should you have horizontal learning or vertical learning? Horizontal means knowing a little bit about everything and having a little bit of skills in everything, versus vertical learning meaning having very deep skill set in a very specialized narrow area. Very often, deep expertise in a very specialized field, the more of a world expert you are in something, the more respect and the more value you have. Because if you just know a little bit about something, that's very replaceable. But if you're a super expert, that's very valuable. But that's usually, of course, this varies per job, per industry, per business. It's not always the case, but usually having deep expertise is better. But of course, you should still aim to stay well-rounded, because being well-rounded will give you many perspectives and skills that your competitors do not. So there isn't a yes or no answer here. Of course, you should work to develop deep expertise in something, but at the same time, do not forget to remain well-rounded. That's going to also help you. Now, there are people who do not succeed. What did Napoleon Hill observe about those people? It was very simple. Those people thought that learning is done when schooling is done. Those guys fail. They failed then, they fail now. This is exactly what you cannot fall into. So if the lifestyle of coming home after work and watching TV or getting entertainment, that lifestyle is not a lifestyle for particular success. The lifestyle of, on your free time, learning, doing the extra mile, taking courses, reading books, that's the lifestyle of eventual true success, because that will give you that advantage over others. And in the next video, we'll talk about some actionable things you can do to become a lifelong learner and how to make all your learning more optimized and more effective and learn faster.